A virtual reality headset is a head-mounted device that provides virtual reality for the wearer. Virtual reality headsets are widely used with video games, but they are also used in other applications including simulators and trainers. Some VR headsets also have eye-tracking sensors and gaming controls. The VR headset is a truly remarkable video game system. You can ride on virtual roller coasters, watch VR videos, and experience thrilling scares like never before. You can play games in a total 360-degree view where the only limit is your imagination. So now discuss different types of VR headset. Number 1. Oculus Quest VR Gaming Headset. Simply set up the device with your Oculus mobile app, and Oculus Quest has everything you need to explore VR right out of the box. Oculus Insight tracking systems instantly reflect your movements in VR without the need for any external accessories. Oculus Touch controllers precisely recreate your hand, their gestures and interactions, so every game is real enough to reach out and touch. This VR headset works with your environment, so you can play standing or sitting in spaces big or small. The Oculus system provides a safe boundary space that you define. It is very comfortable headset. There is an electric strap that goes around your head. It is super easy to adjust, and the foam fabric is suggested all around. Oculus once again put some good effort in their built-in speakers, very loud and aggressive, while at the same time being aware of what's going on in your world. It is easy to set up and easy to use. Number 2. vNext VR headset. It is compatible with smartphones and other mobile phone devices. Its screen brings you a totally immersive visual 360 experience. vNext VR goggles are compatible with models different and also compatible with Samsung Android Galaxy and other devices. Gaming and watching movies with virtual reality headset work best when your eyes properly align with the screen box. That's why VR headsets offer FT and OD adjustment to expand the viewing angle and perfectly match focal distance. Its design is more comfortable and reliable. Once you start gaming and watching VR movies with vNext 3D goggles, you are never going to want to take it off. That's why it offers more comfort with a fully adjustable head strap, eyesight protection system, and a soft nose piece to reduce pressure. It can also support drones that require a phone VR headset. The VR headset sports screen resolution is HD 3D, 720p, 1080p and 4K. It is good eye protection VR headset. Number 3. Ultrasonics VR headset that is compatible with iPhone and Android phones. Virtual reality goggles is comfortable and adjustable glasses with full eye protections, and you can play your best mobile 3D games with Ultrasonics headset. 3D VR headset offer FT and OD adjustment to expand the viewing angle and perfectly match focal distance and unilateral myopic alignment for reduced distortion. If you turn your smartphones into a powerful gaming machine with the Ultrasonic 3D HR, 3D VR headset technology has given us exciting tools and revolutionary and more enjoyment. Its advanced 3D gaming technology works with smartphones and mobile devices to bring you a totally immersive visual experience, boasting HD optimization and 3D gaming support. You will put yourself right into the action with games, movies and much more. Ultrasonics VR glasses is compatible with the vast majority of smartphones. The best thing about this headset is your ability to play virtual reality games wherever you may go. Number 4. Sony PlayStation Virtual Reality Headset. Getting PlayStation VR could be easier. Just plug the PlayStation VR headset and your PlayStation camera into your system, then you are ready to use it. The 3D audio with PlayStation VR means that you will be able to pinpoint sound above, below and all around you. You can turn your head to the source of a single footstep and be able to adjust. PlayStation delivers a new world of unexpected gaming experience. For PlayStation VR, play some of the most highly anticipated titles of PSVR, including all new Star Wars, Battlefront gaming experience and game like PlayStation VR World. Its visual keeps you connected to the virtual world through a pencil display running. The PlayStation VR headset was engineered to be balanced, comfortable and completely adjustable. keeping you free from distraction as you explore new gaming worlds. The LED around the PlayStation VR headset on the DualShock 4 wireless controller and the PlayStation Move motion controller are tracked by the PlayStation camera, providing an incredibly precise capture of your natural movement in virtual space. If you like this product and want to purchase, then click on the link that is below in the description.